Okay, folks, it's your dude here once again from What You Think. Coming to find out what you think about Special Counsel Jack Smith's classified documents case against Donald Trump under Judge Aileen Cannon. And the article reads, oddly scheduled meeting raises concerns about Judge Cannon's pro-Trump bias. A closed-door meeting between Judge Aileen Cannon and Special Counsel Jack Smith raises serious questions about the Donald Trump-appointed justice's bias in the former president's classified documents case. Legal analyst Joyce Vance said Monday. Vance shared her concerns on her Substack about an oddly scheduled expert meeting from which Trump and his attorneys are barred. To discuss the classified documents should be shared with the defense under Section 4 of the Classified Information Procedures Act. The problem isn't the meeting, which would be standard for cases involving classified material that cannot be widely viewed, but how much Cannon is stretching out the procedure. One of the biggest objections to Judge Cannon's handling of the case has been the exceptional amount of delay she has indulged Trump with in what should have been a fairly straightforward case, Vance writes. I anticipated a Classified Information Procedures Act ruling ahead of the holidays, but here we are at the end of January with the hearing itself still weeks away. The subject of Wednesday's meeting plays a key role in Smith's Florida case against Trump, who has pleaded not guilty to conspiracy charges linked to top-secret documents found in his social club Mar-a-Lago. The Classified Information Procedures Act provides Smith and the Justice Department with protections when it comes to sharing secret government information, Vance writes. Under the Act, Smith can argue to exclude classified information from the case or replace it with unclassified summaries, but first he must get Cannon's okay. And should Cannon deny his request, Smith can appeal to the 11th Circuit fairly quickly. This, according to Vance, is the important part. While both Smith and Trump filed a Section 4 motion in response on December 6th, Cannon scheduled the hearing to take place about 8 weeks later on February 15th and 16th. She offered no reason for allowing that amount of time to elapse, Vance writes. There was nothing on the calendar in this case that would have permitted her from doing it immediately. It has been repeatedly reported delay has been a key defense tactic in the two criminal court cases brought by Smith, as Trump could potentially quash them both if he regains the White House in 2025. Vance argues Cannon, who has already been accused of sabotaging the Mar-a-Lago documents case, is skating a thin line when it comes to drafting her schedule. Instead of proceeding promptly to get to the point where she could rule on the Section 4 motions, she has permitted the matter to drag on, Vance writes. That delay has been particularly troubling when it comes to the CIPA. Okay, folks, that's the story. What do you think? Is Cannon biased toward Trump? Is she ruining her career? I'm going to read you two of the comments under this article. One by Dale Stevens. Cannon is foolishly gambling her professional life by supporting Dump. I guess he means Trump. He's calling Trump the Dump. If he wins in November, she gets the big prize of a seat on the Supreme Court. If Dump is not the victor, then I see an investigation leading to her removal from the bench. I don't like her odds. And the next comment is from Abraham Lynn. She doesn't understand that classification of a government is not in the jurisdiction of the judiciary. It is a function of the administration. The fundamental of classification is to protect our government secrets and not to reveal to unnecessary eyes. Moreover, the trial is over the classification and not its content. The mere possession itself of such classified documents are a breach of our laws And if national security was breached due to it, it's treason. Don't need a law degree or a judgeship to understand that. Well, folks, that's all I have for this one. Stay blessed.